everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. In today's video I have this 13x4 613 lace blonde wig I got from this hair company Chinfin, and the unit is 150% density. It is pre-plug. It does come with the 4 combs in the middle as well as the adjustable straps. Just to let you guys know, this is Brazilian straight hair and the inches is 20 inches. And remember, I'm doing a giveaway at the end of the month, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube page so you can be entered into the drawing. Also, make sure you're following me on my Instagram account. And stay tuned. I know you guys want to rush through it, but stay tuned to the end so you can get my feedback on this unit. Thank you so much, Chinfin, for sending me out this hair. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay guys, here is the wig now. I never did a color this bright, so I'm thinking about probably dyeing the roots. Yeah, so I'm gonna dye the hair, the whole thing. I don't know, I don't like this color on. I think it's too bright. Definitely bright for me. So yeah, what do y'all think? Don't tell me. Please don't tell me. But I really feel like I want to dye it. Maybe do a watercolor. I'm not sure yet, but this is some nice hair. This wig is really pretty, but this color on me is a no. Maybe if I dye the roots, probably like a honey or brown color. I'm not sure yet, but the wig itself really nice. Like I said before, if you want to purchase this unit, you can go down in my description box for this unit. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk to you soon in my next one. Bye.